Wait! Gladys! Need to get Gladys.
He's out.
Gladys? Who's Gladys?
Have you a cat or a dog?
Let's make sure. All right, Buck, we've got this. You go look around out there and see if you can find a pet.
Come on. Come on, 2, 3.
Gladys! Gladys, come on, kitty!
Mayday, mayday. Building is unstable. We're calling in for immediate evacuation.
Okay, we're pulling out. Get him downstairs.
Buck, let's go. Get out of here.
Gladys! Come on, Gladys, we really gotta go!
Gladys!
Gladys!
911, what's your emergency?
Sarah, can you hear me?
Did you get her? Please, tell me.
I got her. I got Gladys. She's okay.
Oh, that's not Gladys. That's Hoover. Oh, thank God. Hoover. But where's Gladys?
Atwater Street incident, this is Metro Fire Command. Please respond.
Go for Captain Nash.
I have a deaf woman trapped in apartment 10G.
Gladys.
That's as far as the ladders will reach. The end of her hallway is engulfed. Rachel just told me there's no access to stairwell either.
And the building next door is not on fire.
Get through from the roof?
Rappelling kit's got 150 feet of rope that'll get me down to the street with her.
You want to do a rope rescue? Of course you do. Well, he's not doing it alone. He's going to need you on the pulley. Go, go, go. Okay, we got to be ready here in the ground. Jim, have a cyano kit on standby. Dispatch, be advised, we cannot reach with the ladder. Please inform the resident that we will be descending from the roof through her window.
He's all alone up there.
Anton, I need you to keep still.
Ow!
You're experiencing tenderness?
Been nauseous for days. So I got antacid stashed all over the place.
You've had these symptoms for a while. Urinating a lot?
Yeah.
You may have an excess of calcium in your blood. Probably from an undiagnosed thyroid condition.
Just tell me they're going to get the Gladys.
Anton, don't worry. We've got our best boys on it.